Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about diagnosing and fixing your own car, you need a powerful scan tool. Today we're checking out the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool, a professional-grade device packed with features for both DIYers and automotive techs. Let's see what this scanner can really do and whether it's worth your money. Use the Innova 5610's Enhanced Data Stream to view live data for advanced systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine. The special reset function lets you use dealership-level relearn procedures. This car diagnostic scanner is ideal for those needing a bidirectional scan tool or mechanic tools automotive for professional repairs. Compatible with select vehicle makes and models, not universal. The Innova 5610 bidirectional scan tool sends commands to test functions such as fuel pump on-off or retracting the electronic parking brake. With this car scanner diagnostic for all cars, you can operate like a pro. Ideal for those seeking a car code reader and reset tool or advanced fixed car diagnostic tool capabilities. This OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool provides real-time solutions to troubleshoot issues. Access OBD2 and OEM live data with ease, making it an essential car scanner diagnostic tool. Perfect for those seeking reliable car diagnostic scanners and code readers and scan tools for vehicles. The Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool easily used this scanner for cars on most 1996 to 2023, 2024 coming soon, OBD2 vehicles to verify repairs. Designed for ease of operation, it's a dependable code read for cars and trucks and check engine code reader. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: professional-level bidirectional control at a mid-range price, wide vehicle compatibility, user-friendly interface, durable build quality. And cons: no programming or ECU coding, updates require internet, and can be slow depending on your connection, price is higher than basic scanners. Some bidirectional functions vary by vehicle check compatibility. So, is the Innova 5610 worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, weekend mechanic, or even a shop tech who needs a reliable portable scanner, this tool is an excellent choice. It bridges the gap between basic code readers and expensive dealer tools. If you just want to read and clear codes occasionally, it might be more than you need. But if you're ready to diagnose like a pro, the 5610 delivers. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the Innova 5610? Drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.